This is an old pot which was not using in the kitchen anymore, so I'm going to turn it to a planter today, and let's see what are the plants that I'm going to decorate it with. So this is just a clay pot. I have to put a hole here, a drainage hole. So let's see how I'm going to decorate it with flowering plants. Now here I have made a small drainage hole in it, and I'm going to fill it with soil. I got a well-grown mature spider plant, because if I put a small one it will take some time to grow. So now I thought of putting this mature spider plant in it. So the final look of this clay pot is like this. I have used a mature spider plant in it, and this will no wonder decorate even indoors or outdoors. You can keep it in your garden, or you can decorate your balcony garden or your terrace garden with this. Make sure to keep it in a filtered sunlight area, because spider plants doesn't like the bright sunlight. So now see how beautiful it is, the clay pot idea. I have no time for painting, so I didn't do any coloring or painting, but I just add the plant into this clay pot, and I made a plant out of it. So give it a try if you have time. Do painting and coloring as you wish.